Hi guys, Pickbeard here. Got a 5-pin Assa cam lock here. It's all locked up. I'm going to use medium tension on this one and a sonThanks B rake. So let's see what we can get done on this one. Should only be a quick video, but I'm going to gut it as well just to see what's inside. Let's see if we can get this done quicker than normal. Like I say, it's medium tension, not very light tension on this one. Right, overset I think. Right, let's try again. Normally only a couple of passes on this. There we go. So that's that one raked open. Like I say, I'm going to gut this one. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Take this. And dump out the pins. There's pin 2 and 3. I think, looking at this, it is wafered. Which it is. There's the core out. Nothing special in the core. I'll show you the pins in a sec. And let's try and get pins out of the Bible on this one. See what we've got. Yeah, that's wafered as well by the look of it. Tiny little springs in this. Probably why I was having so many issues with it. I'll just set all these out so you can see what I've got. So yeah, it was wafered, standard pins. Standard key pins. All security pins on this are non-existent. Right, show you this, and then pack it all up. So here we go. Here are the pins in the lock. As you can see, master wafers in here, standard pins throughout, but tricky little springs because you don't get a lot of feedback off those. So sorry it's taken so long, and thanks for watching.
Pickbeard out.